today's video, I'm going to show how you can grab your regular video like 1920 by 1080 and turn it into a vertical video for places like YouTube Shorts, TikTok, or Instagram Reels. So you want to right click on your original video, click on Duplicate Project As. I'll go ahead and just title this Vertical Video, edit. Click on Video Format, and I'll go to Vertical. Click on Smart Conform. And then I'll click on 1080 by 1920 since the original project file was 1920 by 1080. Click on OK. You now have your new video right here. Double click it and it's now in vertical format. Now you can click on the project, click on keyframe, and basically move the video over whenever you need to. So if I click on play, I can then move this over to the right. And then click on keyframe, hit play a little bit, and then move it back to the left. And now you can just go through your regular edit and do all of the keyframing so that way it completely fits on a vertical video. That's it for this video. I hope it was helpful. Please consider commenting, liking, and subscribing as it helps this channel to grow, and thank you so much for watching.